letting go of thoughts. Like clouds adrift in the vast sky. Thoughts come and go, yet we wonder why. We cling to them with such fierce grip, as if our very lives would slip. But who is held in bondage here? It's not our thoughts that we should fear, for they arise, suspended, light, until we insist on holding them tight. To let them go, to loosen the reins, is to reclaim our sovereign reigns. No longer serfs to thoughts that race, but kings and queens who move with grace. In meditation's spacious womb, we make a place for thoughts to loom. No need to judge, resist, or shake. Just witness as they form and break. Like driftwood tossed on ocean's flow. Thoughts ebb and rise, then come and go. When we don't clutch or grasp them tight, they pass us by, like birds in flight. In the freedom of letting thoughts just be, a sacred peace swells, eternally. No disturbance stirs our tranquil rest, as we abide in the hostless guest. So let thy thoughts sail where they will, anchored in being, serene and still. For you are that which has no form, the birthless, deathless eye of the storm.